Do you want to make perfect steaks every time? We're about to make steaks here. I'm going to share that B-roll with you. The Thermometer F1 Turbo is ridiculously cool. This is so neat. First off, I got to tell you, it comes with a certificate of calibration. The last thing that I got that with was a really expensive ProArt Display. The key things you want to know: you open it up, turns itself on, gives you instant records, as well as it has a lock button. So while you're busy working with your hot steaks, you just put it in, hit the lock button, and you can check the temperature, make sure it's what you expected it to be. It works for all kinds of meats, right? You could use it not only for steaks, although I'm a steak fan, you could use it for your chicken, for your fish, those big old roasts, everything that you're cooking and you want to know that it's actually cooked appropriately before you put it on the table. This is going to make you look like a hero doing that. Speaking of being a hero, you can see how delicious these steaks look. I'm out. I'm going to go eat them now. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.